Babylonian Mathematics, Quadratic Problems, Example 8.3. Solve for x if x squared plus 2x equal to 3. So again, I'm going to let the right-hand side of my equation equal 0, and I'm going to do that by subtracting 3 from both sides, or transposing the 3 over to the left-hand side. And now I shall factor this trinomial into the product of two binomials. Okay, I'm going to put x's in the first positions of those binomials. That ensures that when I multiply these, my first term in the trinomial ends up as an x square, and at each of my outers and my inners contains an x, so that my middle term is an x term. All right, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 3 that add to a positive 2. So the signs would have to be different if it's going to multiply to a negative 3. And if I'm adding numbers with opposite signs, I'm actually subtracting and keeping the sign of the larger number. So the two numbers that multiply to 3 would be 1 and 3, okay? And I would probably want that 3 to be positive and the 1 to be negative, because a positive 3 and a negative 1 multiply to negative 3 and add to positive 2. So once I've factored, I then set each factor equal to 0. So either x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. And now I solve these secondary equations for x. So for the first one, I add negative 3 to both sides to get x equal to negative 3. And to the second one, I add a positive 1 to both sides to get x equal to positive 1.